The Mecmesin Rice Texture Analyzer is a benchtop software-controlled system to evaluate the physical sensory properties of rice. The results define the texture profile attributes that correlate to mouthfeel, influencing perceived quality. Rice producers use texture analysis to understand the way cooking and preparation, grain type, and harvesting conditions align with consumer acceptance. A standard rice texture test uses 2 batches of cooked product. Each may be a different variety, the same variety, prepared or grown in a different way, or from a different supplier. Split the batches into 3 equal weight, bulk test samples. The mean results give a confident conclusion for that batch. Compression shear fixtures replicate the natural bite and chew action. Mecmesin's state-of-the-art VectorPro software integrates perfectly and controls the instrument precisely. Easily create the texture test by defining the action of the shearing blades, the speed, compression distance into the sample and how they retract back out. This system measures the forces exerted and automatically performs the required texture calculations on the data. Each test sample is physically compressed and sheared in exactly the same way. The compression force corresponds to the firmness of the rice. We repeat the test on each sample, for each batch. VectorPro collects the data and displays the live graph of load versus displacement. The shape, its enclosed areas, and peak values are significant in completely defining the texture. As the blades return to the start, sample stickiness exerts a negative, or tensile force, and the software calculates other sensory parameters from this region. Rice texture is quantified by firmness, or hardness, stickiness and adhesiveness. VectorPro calculates these parameters automatically from the measured data. The clear interface makes it easy to compare samples and examine the values that define the product quality attributes. Firmness is a peak force. Hardness is a mean steady-state force. Stickiness is the peak minimum, or tensile force. Adhesiveness represents work and is calculated by an area. Any calculation can be included, such as TPA, texture profile analysis, and the machine configured with fixtures for single grain compression and other mechanical property tests. As cooking time influences these attributes, food scientists can optimize rice preparation instructions for long grain, jasmine, basmati, whole grain or any other variety. This quality assurance capability is perfectly served with the Mecmesin Rice Texture Analyzer.